In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram Reels lag on Android and iOS. If your Reels are stuttering, buffering, or playing in low quality, it usually comes down to three things: a cluttered cache, a weak internet connection, or app settings that throttle data. The fixes we'll walk through target those causes and work on most phones. First, make sure Instagram is up to date. Open your App Store, search for Instagram, and install the latest version. Outdated builds often include bugs that affect video playback, and updates usually contain performance improvements for features like Reels. Once updated, reopen the app and see if playback feels smoother. Next, check your connection. Move to a strong, stable Wi Fi network or use high speed mobile data. A quick way to verify stability is to load a few websites or run a short speed test. If pages are slow or the speed is very low, that will cause buffering in Reels. Inside Instagram, also make sure you're not limiting the app's bandwidth. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Account, then Data Usage, and avoid using Data Saver there when you want the best quality. Low data modes can force lower bit rates and increase buffering. If things still feel sluggish, restart your device. A simple reboot clears temporary glitches, frees up RAM, and resets background processes that can interfere with video playback. After the restart, open Instagram again and test a few Reels. Now let's optimize the app from within Instagram. Open your profile, tap the menu icon with the three lines, go to Settings and Privacy, then Data Usage and Media Quality. Here, turn off Data Saver. This allows Instagram to stream higher quality video and reduces the chance of lag caused by aggressive compression. Finally, clear the app cache. On your phone, open Settings, find Apps, select Instagram, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If the app has accumulated a lot of data and cache alone doesn't help, you can clear data as well. Just remember that clearing data signs you out and resets your in-app preferences, so be ready to log in again afterward. Cleaning out this stored data removes corrupted files and frees space, which often resolves choppy playback. After these steps, update, stabilize your connection, restart your device, disable Data Saver inside Instagram, and clear the cache. Reels should load quickly and play smoothly. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this